Akixi 1000 includes real-time call analytics and wallboards, giving you greater insight into your call operations and helping you manage your telephone resources and usage more effectively. It also includes all of the features and benefits of Akixi Lite solution. So let's take a look. First up is Wallboards, and you can take advantage of customizable wallboard reports, giving you a visual overview of all of the call activity happening in your business right now. You can display KPIs and measure team performance to see if your team are on track to meet their targets. And lastly, motivate your employees by displaying a wallboard for everyone to see within the office where your team will appreciate seeing how they are contributing together. Next, we're looking at minimizing lost revenue, because what is the value of a missed phone call to your business? This report shows your missed calls in real time. These calls are displayed as red. They'll turn to green when you've made callbacks or the caller tries to call you back again and gets through. By looking at the time and lost call value metrics, you can see how long your customers have been waiting and how much each missed call is worth to your business. Your goal is to make sure that your team are returning these phone calls quickly to show that excellent customer service before your customers go to your competitors. With the report Leaderboards, you can monitor the individual performance of your team members. They will change colour based on the status of their device. Green means they're busy on a phone call. Yellow, that they have an active call alerting on their phone. Blue, they're set to Do Not Disturb. And if they're not highlighted, then they're idle. You can also encourage and motivate your staff by letting them see how they're performing compared to their peers. You can even provide rewards and bonuses to those who reach the top. Akixi 1000 also provides charting functionality for you to take advantage of, which is perfect for summarising your call data into easy to digest visuals for your team meetings and schedule reports. Turning your reports into graphs can help you quickly identify call trends and patterns. You also have the flexibility to mix and match reports into a single view, which is perfect for combining your most important reports into a visual dashboard. Keep up to date with all the latest Akixi news and information at akixi.com, the Akixi social channels, and links will be in the description for all of those.